The Sutra of Kṣitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 3. Contemplating the Karmic Conditions of Beings. Moreover, 5 karmic responses account for the name relentless. What are the 5? First, it is said to be relentless since punishment is undergone day and night throughout many eons, without ceasing for a moment. Second, it is said to be relentless since one person fills it in the same way that many people fill it. Third, it is said to be relentless since repeated punishments continue without cease throughout years that stretch into nayutas of eons. Those punishments are inflicted by instruments of torture, such as forks and clubs, or by eagles, serpents, wolves, and dogs, or by pounding, grinding, sawing, drilling, chiseling, cutting and chopping, or by boiling liquids, iron nets, iron ropes, iron asses, and iron horses, or by raw hide bound around one's head and hot iron poured over one's body, or by meals of iron pellets and drinks of iron fluids. Fourth, it is said to be relentless since everyone undergoes karmic responses based on the offences they committed, whether they be men, women, savages, old, young, honourable or lowly, whether they be dragons, spirits, gods, or ghosts. Fifth, it is said to be relentless since offenders continually undergo 10,000 deaths and as many rebirths each day and night from the moment they first enter this hell and on through thousands of eons. During that time, they seek even a moment's relief, but it never happens. Only when their karma is finished can they attain rebirth. Earth-Store Bodhisattva said to the worthy mother, "That is a brief description of the relentless hell. If I were to speak extensively about the names of all the implements of punishment in the hells and all the sufferings there, I could not finish speaking in an entire eon." After hearing that, Lady Maya placed her palms together sorrowfully, made obeisance, and withdrew.